Hey, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell button, and share the videos to reach the 20,000. We're looking to Bitcoin price. I think we will go here to 16,000. Many of the people not understand the structure. They think, okay, we have the energy to go here to the upside. What possible is, let me look. The vaults can manipulate this to 50,000. Yeah. I think 20-30% this and 60-70% this. But let's look here to Cardano. If I look to this structure here, you know, maybe one or two people who look also to the chart, they think maybe here, okay, we're coming to the end, and now it's time to buy. But if you look here to this area, you know, to this negative channel, what you can recognize. You see, we try this one time, two time, three time, and this is normally the fourth time in which we can break to the upside. Yeah? The problem is if you look here to this support area, yeah, support, then you can recognize something is happening here. Here. We break this structure to the downside and make a retest. So we have a resistance from here and we have a resistance from here. Yeah. So which resistance you will break this to the upside? Yeah. This or this. So for me is what maximum possible is if they want stretch this to the upside, then they could make this to $1. After that, this move is coming to the downside. I would say in direction of 20 cent, yeah, that we see in the end of the day something like that. So this is coming. Here we have to wait a little bit because if you look here to this structure, this structure is not yet finished. I think in the next days, this until I would say end of March, yeah, maybe in this 10 days or 5 days or 10 days or 15 days, this will um, yeah, make a action to the downside. Let's look here to other and look how detailed we can look inside. Let's look. We will look to 3rd of February. If you ask why, the reason is here, this here. Because we end the negative structure and goes to the sideways structure. Something's changed in the structure. Yeah. Also here, 3rd of February, yeah, falling pattern, and we change this to go in the sideways movement. Yeah. And if you zoom in this here, yeah, then you can recognize something interesting, constellations. So we are here, and you can see that we prepare our downtrend. That means this was uptrend, downtrend, and this is really the last action here. What I think, it is not so, it's not so nice. I would say if we take this negative channel to the downside and say, okay, this is our negative channel. What possible is if the walls will manipulate, or if the walls want a manipulation, then I would say $1. Yeah. But if we stay here at these levels, especially if we cannot break this structure, Yeah, that means it seems we could not break the structure, and the target is maximum is this here. So the maximum is something like 82 cent, and then you can see how far we can go here to the downside. That means we have place until 60 cent. Let's look. If we reach the 60 cent, then we could test this level. That means after breaking this structure, the price could go more to the downside to 20 cent. Yeah. Let's look if the price is not going more to the downside. 20 cent is a good area to take place. But I think we have energy to go here to 12 cent. Yeah. So I would say at the moment I see direction of 20 cent, 30 cent. Let's look what's happening here. What can change here. Long term, maybe the holder, so that they not frustrated, that I can show you in which direction I see other. I think we will go to 20 cent, make this move, yeah, make this, and then we see this, we will see this structure here to 12 cent. If you're asking me why this structure, because we have then built here a wonderful left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the price will definitely go here to 12, 11 levels, yeah. But nobody see this. So I would say have a nice day. Let's look to Bitcoin price last. Um, this triangle will not hold, yeah. We will see here massive movement to the downside. It is also possible to see a short-term powerful move to the 50,000, but I not believe in that. Maybe it is possible. I think this structure um, will or should in this area, negative area, so that we can reach the 60,000. Yeah, that is fact. So have a nice day.